The YouTube Starter Kit with Sean Cannell. In this full and honest review, we're going to show you exactly what the YouTube Starter Kit that Sean Cannell and the Think Media team have created is all about and what it can do for you. Let's not waste another second and get right into it. Now the YouTube Starter Pack is perfect for you if you're just starting out on YouTube and you don't know where you need to begin and what you need to focus on when you're first starting out. Sean Cannell has got the results and he's helped me learn how to optimize videos on YouTube so that I can create a successful YouTube channel. We love the courses that Sean Cannell and the Think Media team creates, and it's helped us get the results on our YouTube channel. It's taken us from a brand new YouTube channel to over 2 million views on our channel. So if you're ready to kickstart your YouTube journey, let's jump onto my laptop and let me show you what the YouTube Starter Kit is all about. Before we get started going through what's inside the YouTube Starter Kit, I do want to let you know that I am an affiliate for Sean Cannell and the YouTube Starter Kit course. Now that means that if you do purchase the course, we get a commission paid to us from Sean Cannell for referring you to the course. Now this is one of the things that he teaches you inside of his course. He teaches you how to use affiliate marketing to make money on your YouTube channel. If you use the referral link in the description down below, it doesn't cost you anything extra. It allows creators like you and me earn a living by referring people to a product that they know works and that they know gets the results that you want to get. So let me show you exactly what it's all about and what's inside all of the modules. Make sure you click that link in the description down below, and that's going to take you over to the YouTube Starter Kit homepage. Now what you're going to get with the YouTube Starter Kit is the YouTube Clarity Blueprint, the 15 best YouTube title formulas for getting views, 51 video ideas to jumpstart your channel, 51 money-making video ideas guide, best cameras, video equipment and software resources list, and how to create awesome YouTube thumbnails. Now these are all the awesome things that you're going to get with the YouTube Starter Kit. Now who is this course for? It's for people that want the exact templates for YouTube video topics, titles and thumbnails. It's for you if you want to make the most of your money-making opportunities on YouTube. Now this is a golden time for all of us as YouTube creators. It's a great opportunity to start a business and to start making money with your YouTube channel. So if you listen to anything in this video, it's start taking action on building and growing your YouTube channel. It'll make the biggest difference in your life. It's made the biggest difference in our life. And I know that Sean has the results and he has awesome formulas and systems that you can put into place on your YouTube channel to also get the views and results that you want. And lastly, it's for you if you want to make the process of creating a video as easy as possible. There's a little bit about Sean Cannell, where he's been featured, and then if there are any frequently asked questions, there you can find out about them there. If you have any questions or queries about the YouTube channel starter pack, please let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. If you like this video and you're keen to get started growing your YouTube channel and getting the views that you deserve, make sure you smash that like button and take your first step by subscribing to our channel DM because we create videos every single week helping you start and grow your very own YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.